Okay, hi, it's Chef Kevin. Good morning, I should say. I'm doing a breakfast item today, making huevo poblano. This is an egg cooked inside of a poblano pepper. Let's take a closer look. This is going to be fun and simple and tasty. Okay, not a lot of stuff here. I have 2 poblano peppers. I rinse those in water. Always clean your vegetables. I have 4 pork breakfast links. Now you can use bacon, you can use ham, you can use turkey, chicken, whatever you like. This is what I have. 2 eggs, a blend of 5 cheeses, salt, pepper, hot sauce. So the first thing I'm going to do is prep my poblanos, and that's a fairly easy thing to do. What I'm going to do is leave the stem on and just cut it open, sort of like that, to make a nice little boat or vessel for the peppers. For the sausage, something like that. You want to remove that piece inside, as well as most of the seeds. Something similar to that. The lighting in here is very bad. I'm usually not doing a breakfast item. Just apologize for that. Try to buy the large ones if you can. This way it's more presentable and bigger. Okay. What I'm going to do now is cook these in a little water. Let's go over to the stovetop. Okay, I have a saute pan here, heating up. Put my peppers in. The leftover poblano, so it's not a waste. I'm going to add about 1/4 of an inch of water. Okay, these are going to steam for about 3 to 4 minutes, so I'm going to just cover this up and let that steam, let that do its thing. Okay, my peppers are nice and cooked, and I can tell that because when I stab it with a fork, I can feel that it's tender. Okay, so I have 2 links here. You can use bacon, ham, you can use whatever. Turkey, chicken. That's an oven-proof dish. Top that off with some cheese. Make sure you leave some space for your egg. Put a little fresh ground pepper on that. A little sea salt. I'm going to top it off with a little Parmesan. This is fine ground, or finer. Looks good. Okay, this is going under the broiler for about 4 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I want the eggs to be cooked, but not overcooked. I don't like my eggs overcooked. So I'm going to keep an eye on it, and when the yolks get whitish, that means it's ready. Your Poblano eggs are ready. Looking good. Let's take one out and examine it. We'll give it the autopsy here. Might as well take them both out. That was about 5 minutes under the broiler. Everything cooks quite quickly under the broiler, and if you don't watch what you're doing, that's the end of it. Let's got one of these bad boys open. Put a little hot sauce on there first, though. The Poblano pepper in itself is not really hot. It has some spice to it. It has a peppery flavor, but it's not hot like a jalapeno or a habanero, that's for sure. Well, that is very nice. Eggs are nice and runny. This is a nice meal. Nice little breakfast meal. Love the sausage in that. Okay, folks, I gotta run. I got a lot of stuff to do today. Thanks for watching this video. Hasta mañana.